In this video, I'm going to show you how to save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file. So this has multiple ways and all are very simple. Now the first thing you can do is type in something you'd like. So let's say suggest fun activities over here. And then once we wait for this to write itself, I'm going to tell you how to do it. So as you can see, it starts writing and the whole conversation starts popping up. And now you want to get a PDF out of this. So what you do, the easiest way is to hold down Ctrl and P. So press Ctrl and P, or just simply press on those three dots up here and then find the print option over here. So once you're in here, as you can see, your entire conversation is in a PDF file right now. Now you have to press over here and then click as Save as PDF. Okay, as you can see, it's now saved as PDF. And then you simply click on Save and it's going to download to your computer. Now what you have to be aware over here is that you actually put it to where everything you want to be seen on that page can be seen over here on your monitor as well. Okay, so you press Ctrl P and then Save as PDF. As you can see, everything I wanted is up here. And then click on Save. And then you have to select where you want it saved. So let's say I want it under Downloads. And if you then open Downloads and get back over here, you see you'll have a PDF file of your saved conversation. Now the other way to do this is very simple as well. So what you can do is go down here to your username and then go into Settings over here. And then go to Data Controls on the left. And then here you can see Export Data. Okay, you click on this. And then you can request a data export, and then your account details and chats will be included in the export. The data is sent to you via your email, and the download link expires after 24 hours after you receive it, so make sure to download data immediately so you don't forget. And the processing may take some time, and you're notified when it's ready. Now in my case, I'll click Confirm Export. As you can see, it's been already sent since I don't have any chats, and it says successfully exported data. You should receive an email shortly with your data. And then you just go to your email, and in there you're going to have a mail from ChatGPT, from OpenAI, and there's going to be a big green button in there. You just press it and it's going to download your data for you. It's going to be a zip file, but inside that zip file there's going to be all your chats. You can just copy and get the PDFs out of them, and you can use them however you want to.